Assalamu alaikum student. Today my topic is cell. Subject है biology. Cell in biology, the basic membrane bound unit that contain the fundamental molecules of life and of which all living things are composed. A single cell is often a complete organism in itself, such as bacterium or yeast. Other cells acquire specialized function as they mature. Understand? Cell in biology, the basic membrane bound unit that contain the fundamental molecule of life and of which all living things are composed. And the purpose of the cell, they provide structure for the body, take in nutrient from food, convert these nutrients into energy, and carry out specialized function. Cells also contain the body's hereditary materials and can make copies of themselves. Cells have many parts, each with different functions. Understand? Cell also contains the body's hereditary materials and can make copies of themselves. Archaebacteria type. Archaebacteria are primitive single-celled microorganisms that are prokaryotes with no cell nucleus. Each archaea has the ability to live in very severe environments. Is an example of the bacteria. Each archaea has the ability to live in very severe environment. Archaebacteria examples have unusual cell walls, membranes, ribosomes and RNA sequence. They often have the ability to produce methane. Archaebacteria is an example of the bacteria. Two types of the cell. Cell are of two types. Eukaryotic, which contain a nucleus, and prokaryotic, which do not. Prokaryotics are single-celled organisms, while eukaryotes can be either single-celled or multicellular. Names are difficult. A cell consists of three parts: the cell membrane, the nucleus, and between the two, the cytoplasm. Within the cytoplasm lie intricate arrangement of fine fibers and hundreds or even thousands of mini cells, but distinct structures called organelles. All cells consist of three parts: the cell membrane, the nucleus, and between the two, cytoplasm. Within the cytoplasm lie intricate arrangement of fine fiber and hundreds or even and so on. There are 13 main parts of an animal cell: cell membrane, nucleus, nucleolus, nuclear membrane, cytoplasm, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, ribosomes, mitochondria, centrioles, cytoskeleton, vacuoles, and vesicles. Names are difficult, but you take a time, it's not difficult. 13 parts of an animal cells: nuclear membrane, nucleus, nucleolus, cytoplasm, endoplasmic, Golgi apparatus, ribosomes, mitochondria. Thank you for listening and watching.